American Architectural Review is a national platform where science and art meet, where the issues facing builders and consumers take center stage, where the spotlight seeks out and shines on the creators and innovators. This editorial series, featured on national television, singles out architectural achievements from tools to technique, from form to function. Martin Door was handpicked as a featured guest because of its commitment to promoting progress in the world of architecture.
Hello, I'm Morley Safer. Over 100 years ago, electricity brought the comfort and convenience of light with a flick of a switch. Today, improvements in technology continue to make our living and working spaces more comfortable. Here's an example.
Most of us live in our homes surrounded by our worldly goods. We treasure our possessions, but there's nothing more precious to us than our children. Whether it's in the car, at school, or at home, their safety is paramount to us. However, there's a part of the house we don't think about a lot where severe injuries can occur: the garage door.
Garage doors are the largest moving object on the house, and there are a lot of unseen entrapments on a garage door that the average person just doesn't think about. Of course, we've got in between the track and the jamb, we've got an entrapment there where we have the finger joints that children and adults, and including myself, can hurt themselves. Kids running in and out of garage doors while they're moving, that just seems like it's always intrigued kids for some reason.
Children are usually told never to play with an automatic door, but they often do anyway. The Consumer Product Safety Commission says that each year there are over 8,500 emergency room visits for injuries to fingers, hands, and arms, all caused by garage doors.
Historically, garage doors have caused such injuries ranging from death by crush injuries to amputations of fingers, hand injuries, and many orthopedic injuries.
Yet a large majority of manufacturers have ignored the entrapment points in their doors and continue to make them the way they have in the past.
Well, I just believe garage door manufacturers, the reason that, and there have been a lot of them, mind you, that have attempted and they made a few changes in their garage doors, but they haven't addressed all the problems, and it probably has a lot to do with just the money part of it. I don't think it's that they don't care. I don't believe that. I just think it's a matter of money.
To address many of the traditional hazards, a few companies have begun to design doors with safety points, shields or safeguards, such as those built into this garage door, manufactured by Martin Doors in Salt Lake City, are now standard when sold to the public.
We could not make a garage door one model that was safe and 12 others that were unsafe. We set about to correct every model garage door that we had. Some we had to discontinue because we could not correct the danger points.
The Consumer Product Safety Commission has met with manufacturers and pointed out many flaws in garage doors. Among them are several that cause injuries most frequently.
The garage door section joint, which normally opens wide on the outside and the inside. We corrected the outside by putting on our finger shield. The inside we corrected with a low profile hinge. The large holes in the vertical tracks, we corrected that simply by removing all of the large holes.
Well, as a mother of 7 children, I feel more reassured that a garage door has many safety features in it that can protect my children.
Because it's where most of us spend the majority of our time, Any accidents will likely continue to occur in the home. But the probability that little fingers or hands won't get crushed by items used every day is one less thing for homeowners to worry about.
With the help of technology, architecture and the various industries which support it are rapidly advancing fields. As improvements and innovations occur, you'll see them here on American Architectural Review. Thanks for joining us.
Well, people come in my store all the time, and one of the first things out of their mouth is, I just need a good, cheap garage door. And it just never made any sense to me why a person would want to save $100 on a garage door right now. I mean, maybe it's lack of education, and I've kind of taken it as my job to educate these people on why they should spend an extra $100. Now, if you buy a Martin garage door, for example, it comes already with the ball bearing rollers. It comes with the heavier hinges. It comes with the safety features on it. It comes with the longer life cycle springs, and hey, spend $100 now, or spend $200 later, and spend $200 down the road again, and just doesn't make any sense. It just seems like people ought to pay right up front, get the right garage door for their house, and just have their problem solved.
The Martin Door website on the internet at www.martindoor.com offers a wealth of information about the company. The dealer's search will help potential customers find a dealer across the U.S. and in more than 40 countries around the world. Martin Door's many safety innovations are shown on the website. These safety features, built into every Martin garage door, prevent injuries to children and adults. Martin Door's dedication to safety has earned the company international recognition. Martin News offers the latest information about the company. The announcement by Underwriters Laboratories that Martin Door had successfully certified to the new ISO 9001 standard was a major achievement. With this certification, Martin Door is the first UL-registered garage door manufacturer worldwide. The quality, strength, and security section highlights the features that make Martin Doors unique. Among these features are the weather and wind protection Martin garage doors offer, and the recyclable insulation, which makes them environmentally friendly.
Since I purchased my Martin garage door and opener, I found it exceptionally high quality in the sense of keeping the weather out. It also has several excellent safety features as far as protecting your hands, and as a hand surgeon I think that's fairly important. It would be a catastrophe to me if I really had a finger chopped off. Also, when I come home at night, my wife is not a great sound sleeper, and with the quiet motor that comes with the door, I don't wake up the neighborhood, and I also don't wake up the dog, and I don't certainly wake up her. It's very, very nice. I've found it very high quality. I'm very glad I purchased it.
At Martin Door Manufacturing, we are committed to make the finest, safest, highest quality garage door that we can possibly make, which gives peace of mind to the architect, to the builder, to the homeowner, and to us.
Once again, American Architectural Review extends a special thanks to the companies and organizations that have risen to meet the challenges of today's architectural industry. This has been a presentation of WJMK,